What to expect in a Long Beach divorce hearing. Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with Divorce661.com. If you've filed for divorce in Long Beach or are considering it, you might be wondering what happens if your case ends up in front of a judge. The truth is, most amicable divorces don't require court appearances. But if you do have to attend a hearing, here's what you can expect. First, keep in mind that Long Beach divorces are handled through the Los Angeles County Superior Court, and many hearings are now conducted remotely via video, depending on the issue. Whether in person or online, the judge's goal is to resolve disputes, ensure legal requirements are met, and keep the process fair. You may have a hearing if your spouse doesn't respond and you're requesting a default judgment without an agreement, if you're asking the court to decide temporary issues like support, custody, or visitation, or if one party disputes something in the proposed judgment. A hearing may also be required if there are errors or missing information in your paperwork that need clarification before the judge can approve your case. At the hearing, the judge may ask both parties questions about finances, parenting, or property division. These aren't long, dramatic trials like you see on TV. Most hearings are short, straightforward, and procedural. But they can still be stressful if you're not prepared or don't have your documents in order. We recently worked with a Long Beach client whose paperwork was rejected due to missing disclosures. They were scheduled for a hearing and panicked, so they hired us to step in. We cleaned up their paperwork, got everything filed properly, and the hearing was canceled once the judge saw that everything was in order. At Divorce 661, our goal is to help you avoid court altogether, but if a hearing is necessary, we make sure you're fully prepared and your paperwork is flawless. Whether you're just starting or stuck mid-process, we can step in and get you back on track. If you're facing a divorce hearing in Long Beach or want to make sure you don't, visit Divorce661.com and schedule your free consultation. We'll help you understand what to expect, how to prepare, and how to avoid unnecessary delays.